Why don't you come at yourself no more? Where is the old spark in your eyes? But do you have to toe the line? Never surrender to a fate of self-destruction. You find